Hey guys, so I'm biking in my neighborhood, and at 2 o'clock today, at Friday, on September 1st, at 2 o'clock, the at 2 o'clock they installed these new radar speed signs. So like, let me show you. There's one over here. Oh, they even oh, that's the internet guy, but they installed a new radar speed sign over there at 2 o'clock today at September 1st, 2023. And there's another one I need to show you. So, there's another one. Oops. Lost my balance there. Anyways, let's go to the other one. There's my bike. Anyways, there's another one over there. Because cars over here, they started like going super fast, so they installed these. This one was also installed today. So right now I don't think they turned them on. This one is the bigger one, and there's a smaller one over there. So like, wait. Okay, and it's solar powered. Like, gets charged by solar power. So they installed two different models at the same day. I don't know what company makes these, but I know what these are called. So let me look around. Let's look around the rest of the neighborhood to see if there's any more of them installed today. So right now, what I know is that there's two of them that are installed. So oh, and also a lot of kids walk around here, and I bike around here as well. Wait, let me see if it works. If it like actually works. I'm not sure if it's working right now. So let me nope, it's off. Oops, anyways, I'll take a turn over here. Alright. Let's see if there's one over here at this part of the neighborhood. Nope, there's none. So let's go more ahead. I'm not going to tell you my neighborhood because private information. Oh, there's some more. There's some more installed. I see some. But first I need to wait for this car to go. So, no car over here. Oh, they even, wait. Oh, that's it? But let me see what that one is. Yep, this one is one of the same models, except it doesn't have the bigger LCD. So let's take a closer look. Alright, there's one over here. There's one over there. Installed on the same day. Okay, now let me look at more parts of this neighborhood. Okay, so there's none over there ahead, so I'm gonna go back. There's some people are trying to phone me. I gotta go away. I'm like far from my house.